Are you somebody who gets nervous when you have to speak in front of public and you don't want to look at people in the eye? You're afraid what they're going to say or their judgment? This is what a lot of people who come to me are saying, that they fear what people are saying, so they don't want to look them in the eye. I'm Dr. Doreen Downing, and I'm a psychologist, and I help people overcome the fear of speaking in public. And I have a secret I'd like to share today, and it's be available with your eyes. You notice that I'm not saying eye contact. That has a little bit of a harshness to it. Soft, available eyes helps people be more engaged with you because you have a look that they want to see, that you're welcoming them. I have 7 secrets that I write about in my new book, The 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. And you could find that on Amazon.